Nestled on just under 2 acres, the Serene Retreat is where your country living dreams come true. It's a rare opportunity close to outdoor adventures where country living meets convenience. Whether you're envisioning a hobby farm, equestrian paradise, workshop haven, or a peaceful retreat to unwind and entertain, this property offers the space, versatility, and tranquility to bring it all to life. Head inside to discover a warm and inviting home with abundant natural light and spacious gathering areas throughout. This home of more than 2,500 square feet features 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. Recent updates, including a newer roof, siding, water heater, and new windows throughout, ensure comfort and peace of mind. You'll find a large bonus or game room ready for gatherings or relaxing after a long day. Multiple private sitting areas extend your living space outdoors, overlooking a peaceful setting that changes with the seasons. The versatile 3-stall horse barn and spacious shop are ready to bring your passions to life. With plenty of room for equipment, storage, and creative projects, your possibilities here are truly endless. With room to grow, play, and create, this property is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Discover the endless potential waiting for you at this exquisite country escape. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.